Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from College Dunya. Today I am at Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College, Visnagar, Gujarat. Today we are having with Bhavesh J. Patel sir. He is a head of department in civil engineering. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunya. Hello.
Good morning.
So I'll start with the question and session sir. My first question is, how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
We are going to plan our curriculum in such a way that the subjects we are offering to the diploma civil engineering students gives the knowledge in such a way that they make the best practices when they are on the field, okay, or they're completing their education or get the diploma civil engineering, okay. So, for example, or I want to narrate one thing that we include some topic. I want to give one example that. In surveying, okay, students get the admission in civil engineering, but if they have a knowledge about surveying, so they want to make their career in surveying field also, because civil is a wide field, okay. So if students get knowledge about the total station, okay, this is the one instrument which widely used nowadays in industry. So if students having a knowledge about that total station, okay, so they can directly recruit some reputed industries or reputed companies, okay. So we introduce that kind of challenges that industry face, okay, because some of the students getting the knowledge such topics, but they never use in field. So we introduced some topics in such a way that we invited some industry person also to make our curriculum, okay, so that we make a bridge between academic and the industry, okay.
Very nicely explained, sir, about your curriculum. So coming to the next question, what do you see as Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College's greatest strength?
Okay, so greatest strength is our faculty. So Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College runs with since December 2000, okay, and most of the faculties make their career in this institute or started their career in this institute, and since from that day they're serving over here till date, okay. They never try to get the job in other industry or other places, because the environment and the management is so good, okay, or healthy, or environment is such a way that they make a user friendly, we can say that the user friendly, okay, so that each and every problems students or faculty they can communicate with the management and solve the problems. Our greatest strength that I have narrated, that each and every faculty is highly educated and well experienced. Myself, Bhavesh J. Patel, Head of Civil Engineering Department, I am appointed in this institute since December 2000 as a lecturer. Management has provided me an opportunity to get a higher education and get the 2 years leave with salary. So management also try to improve our knowledge also. So our motto is keep learning, okay. So greatest strength is highly educated and the highly experienced faculty, because this is the pioneer of any institute, okay. So in academic institute, most of the academic institute, they will never try to get the education or leave the to the students.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the college and the students are?
Okay, so as being a head of department, I have to first ensure that my faculty comes to the college within time or not. First of all, I have to check all the faculties come to the college within time, okay, or before time. Then after, they take their lectures and laboratories regularly. They got their preparations before entering the classrooms, okay. During the academic semester, I have to communicate with the students so such a way that they familiar with the institute or they familiar with the faculties, and they can ask any question to the faculty and HOD, or ask any problem they suffer, if any. Okay, so we may get the best solution, or we solve that problems. First of all, the students is our mode. Okay, students, they will never try to get to the faculty, because they have fear that I never ask any question to the faculty. But we have provided such a way or such an environment that the students does not have any fear. Okay, so my responsibility is the students easily come to the faculty and share their problems, and I have to take that responsibility. Okay.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Okay, so my current semester students and the aspiring students, I have to tell only one thing, that they have to make the practice in such a way that learn whatever the academic portion included in our syllabus, they should learn in such a way that where are this knowledge is applicable on the field. Okay, because nowadays our time is that industry is going on or progress very rapidly, so we have to create ourselves in such a way that we may need what the industry need, and our knowledge must be together.
Very nicely explained, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your college and your department, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of College Dunya. Thank you.
Thank you.